This is a 2007 Chevy Trailblazer LS. I bought it new from the factory. I want to show you guys a common problem that people hear with these vehicles. They also, the GMC, as you can hear even with the air off, no check engine light or anything. Vehicle has vehicle has 112,000, but they are loud, and I want you guys to know not to be alarmed by that noise if your Trailblazer is making it. You may want to get your voltage checked. Your alternator is probably the indicator, or check your pulley. A lot of times the pulley will start making a noise which would cause this, and I have checked with the Chevy dealership. They've recommended the same thing as I'm saying. So I hope this is helpful. Check back for more little quick videos. I hope this helps. Bye.